just standing in front of Masjid al-Nabi in Medina Sharif. This is the second holiest mosque of Muslims across the world. This was built by Prophet himself 14 years ago, 1400 years ago. You can see on the background, it's a gate. Pilgrims from around the world are here just to pray, but to connect with the spirituality and spirituality, reflect and seek blessings during their visit, despite the heat which is reached up to 44 degrees centigrade today when it was almost in the afternoon, and the crowds have remained steady in the facilities here as well managed by the Saudi authorities. You can see that fan here which makes the weather and the temperature cool down, that people can have the, even in a hot temperature they can also have comfortable visit here in this mosque. We'll take you to inside the area that where is all those things being performed, especially rituals during the Hajj time that the Muslims from across the world has gathered here in Medina, second holiest place of Islam. Now this is the area inside of Prophet Muhammad's Masjid al-Nabi in Medina, and you can see here inside view, and this is the Prophet's laying, taking rest here, and this is the grave of Prophet Muhammad, which is very sacred place inside the Masjid al-Nabi, where all the people they get time slot for praying inside the mosque, which is called Jannah, and this has the very important, huge and very sacred importance here for every Muslims here. And this area is covered with the green carpet and the steel golden pillars. It is one of the most spiritually powerful place in the mosque, and visiting is an honor sought by every pilgrim. You can see here, as if I say about this architecture, it's 10 minarets and it's soaring over the 100 meters high. At night the mosque glows in a serene beauty, and the carefully positioned light highlight white marble and the gold accent of the structure. And that is a very breathtaking sight that reflects both the devotion and excellence of Islamic art. You can visualize here very beautifully. And inside this mosque we can find hundreds of decorated columns which is bearing a legacy of Islamic artistry, and the ceilings of the wall are drawn with Arabic calligraphy. You can see here at the top and verses from the Quran and the name of Allah and the Prophet written in the gold and deep blue inside here. And every details here is meant to inspire humility, contemplation and reverence. After all, Masjid al-Nabi is not just a place to worship, it is a living testament to Islamic history and artistry unity. And whether you come here as a pilgrim or a student architecture, what you experience is nothing short of timeless. Here this is another corner that where you can see that Imam's sermon, that usually on the Friday prayer you can see that they come here and just Imam comes here and all, here you can witness was all about Masjid al-Nabi in Medina, that you saw architecture, Islamic architecture and the modern tradition inside this Masjid al-Nabi, and now you can see outside that we are going out about, and that dome I was discussing about that at the back you can see here. And this was all about Masjid al-Nabi in Medina, its history, its importance and its relevance for the Muslims across the world.